At the bottom of my driveway, there's this little patch of grass. It's actually owned by the city. They don't do the best job maintaining it, so I'm taking over. I've made huge progress on this already. 6 months ago, this was all dead, brown patches everywhere. I filled most of the holes in, fertilized it a little bit. It looks really good now, but now that it's come in and I've kind of let it do its thing for a few months and grow, there's still a few more holes I need to touch up. So let's take a look here. So you can see pretty clearly, hole, hole, hole. So today's video, I'm going to show you how to fill these holes. It's really quick, really easy, and works really well. So here's a hole. So here's what you do. So you can see it's a pretty good sized hole, pretty well formed. Take your fingers and just kind of brush away lightly all this kind of loose debris and just kind of kick it over to the side. You need to have nice clean soil so the seed has something to adhere to. Here's another one. Okay, just lightly with your fingers, just brush away. Okay, once you've got the holes kind of lightly scuffed and they're nice and clean, it's time for seed. Let's grab our cup of seed, and literally this is all you do. Spread a nice even coat, not too much, nice, just enough to cover it. All right, there's one. Let's get over here. Okay, get some clover covering this. Two. Alright, that's about it. And then 3. Nice and light, just like this. See this? Go back and forth a couple times. Just like that, okay? Get it nice and wet. Next one. Okay. The last one. Nice and easy. Nice and easy. Just a nice little wet there. That's it. All right, so we're here. It's actually a lot later. I plan to post this video a week after I filled the holes in the lawn. It's been over a year. My life just got super busy. I have a 2-year-old, so he dominates my time. But I did fill the holes, as you saw in the first video. And once again, Scott's EZSEED, it comes through. Super easy to apply. If you look at the lawn here, which was plagued with holes before, I mean, you can see here, it's just nice and thick and full. It really looks great. So if we zoom in, it's hard to remember exactly where the holes were, but this area I'm showing here, there was holes there, there was holes there, deep holes too, just pure dirt. So I think it does a really nice job. Even though I got kind of lazy posting the video, after a week, you start to see some growth. After a month, it's almost fully filled in. Obviously, after a year, it looks like this. So beautiful, full lawn here. I think this came out great, and I do this all the time. I fill holes all the time. It always comes out amazing. It looks perfectly uniform. You can't even tell there was ever a hole there. The grass just fills in. It looks absolutely perfect. So yeah, there you have it. Thanks for watching. Hopefully you found it valuable, and I'm kicking back into gear. I'm going to start posting a lot more videos. So appreciate you watching. Comment, subscribe, follow me if you want to see more, and until next time.